Milk is not good for the bones, it causes more harm than good. According to the latest statistics, the countries with the highest milk consumption in the world are the US and many countries in the EU. But you should also know that the highest rates of osteoporosis, which leads to bone loss, are also found in the United States and Europe. I think that we've all heard that milk is so good for all of us, especially for the health of our bones. The milk will help us build stronger bones, etc., right? But what do you think is that the real truth? The medical experts around the world say that the cow's milk bought in stores is not really good for our health. They also say that this type of milk is pasteurized, and during this process the milk is heated to a specific temperature and then it's cooled. The manufacturers are doing this process to extend the shelf life of the pasteurized milk and to destroy all harmful bacteria, which can be the cause for some diseases. But the bad thing is that during this process they are destroying the good bacteria, probiotics, other healthy nutrients, enzymes, etc. You should know that the pasteurizing process kills the natural enzymes and destroys the chemical makeup of calcium in raw milk. Calcium is vital to the growth and health of children. Pasteurization has been implicated in everything from allergies to heart disease to cancer. Calcium is a mineral that the body needs for numerous functions, including building and maintaining bones and teeth, blood clotting, the transmission of nerve impulses, and the regulation of the heart's rhythm. 99% of the calcium in the human body is stored in the bones and teeth. The remaining 1% is found in the blood and other tissues. Whether or not raw milk carries pathogens depends totally on the way the milk is produced, how the animals are fed, and the care that's taken to keep the milk clean during production. Today's pasteurized milk comes from cows crammed in cages loaded with synthetic hormones and antibiotics. These harmful substances are banned in some countries around the world such as Japan, Australia, Canada, and the European Union, but they are still used in the US and other countries. Homogenizing purposely destroys raw milk's natural butterfat in an effort to separate and hide the cream from the consumer. European studies show that this is dangerous and may cause heart disease. Of course, our FDA disputes this. The milk produced from these cows can contain as many as 20 painkillers, antibiotics, and growth hormones in a single glass of milk, which some studies have linked to excessive tumor growth and cancer. The cows are typically fragile and prone to disease, and their milk contains large amounts of pus. This is where the pasteurization process comes in. The milk goes through a quick heating process that produces no guarantee of cleanliness. In fact, multiple salmonella outbreaks in recent years have occurred from pasteurized milk that's supposed to be clean. You should also know that when the milk goes through the pasteurization process, it becomes an acidic food, which presents a big problem. The body must maintain a particular pH level in order to maintain homeostasis. The more processed and refined foods we eat, the more acidic our bodies become, creating the constant need to find ways to keep the pH level in check. This is done by leaching alkaline minerals, calcium, magnesium, from other places in the body, including the bones. Over time, this constant process causes bones to become weak, frail, and riddled with osteoporosis. Tumors also thrive in an acidic environment. The more milk we drink, the more we are destroying our bones. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.